Hi children, this week we are going to see algebra. In algebra we are going to discuss about exponents. Today we are going to learn about introduction of exponents. Just I am going to give some introduction of exponent. What is exponent? Then expressing a number in exponential form, laws of exponents. So these are the topics we are going to discuss today. Now, see here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 2 into 4, because 2 is repeated 4 times, isn't it? So, 2 into 4. So, this is product form. Okay, this we call as product form. Okay, like this we can write. Whereas 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 power 4. Okay. So this form we call it as exponential form. This is called as 2 to the power of 4. Okay. We say it as 2 to the power of 4 or simply 2 power 4. That's all. Okay. So this is called exponential form. And see here, 2 to the power of 4 or 2 power 4. In this 2 we call as base. This number is called as base. Whereas this 4 is called as exponent or power or index or order. You can call it either of these names. Okay. 4 is called as exponent or power or index or order. Okay. So these are the different names given to a number in the power. Okay. Now, here we are going to write the base, exponent, expanded form and value for the given number. Okay. Now 3 square. In 3, this is called as 3 square or 3 power 2. Okay, we can call it as 3 power 2 or 3 squared. Okay. See here, 3 square can be, this can be read as 3 squared, okay, or simply 3 power 2. That's all. Okay. Similarly, if you take 8 power 3, this can be read as, yes, of course, 8 power 3 or 8 cubed or 8 power 3. So these are the ways we can call these numbers. This is a way to read these numbers. Okay, 3 square, 8 cube. Okay. More than this, power 4, power 5, only we say only like that, not any other different names. That's all. For power 2 and power 3 alone, we say it as squared, cubed, like that. Okay, now let us come to this sum. The base is 3. Okay, base is 3. Exponent is 2. And how can we expand this? 3 square can be expanded as 3 into 3. Okay. The value is 9. 3 3s are 9. Next. 3 power 4. The base is 3. The exponent is 4. And the expanded form for 3 power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now what is the value? Because how many 3 times we have to write, 4 times you have to write 3. That only. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Multiply. 4 times you have to multiply. Okay. Now the value for this 3 3s are 9. Into 3 3s are 9. 9 into 9, 81. Clear? Next, minus 2 cube. What is the base for this? Minus 2. What is the power? 3. And how can we expand this? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Now what is the value? First you have to multiply the symbol. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 10 power 1. What is the base? 10. What is the exponent? 1. And how can we expand? Just 10, that's all. Because power is just 1. So only one time you have to write 10. The value is 10. That's all, the same number. Okay? So any number, power 1, we get the same number. 3 by 5 whole square. What is the base? 3 by 5. Don't write 5 as the base. 3 by 5. This is the base. So 3 by 5. What is the power? That is the exponent 2. Okay, exponent. Next, expanded form. Squared. So 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. The power 2, no? Just 2 times. What is the value? Just multiply. 3 into 3, 9 by 5 into 5, 25. This is the value of 3 by 5 whole squared. This we have to read as 3 by 5 whole squared. Because there are two numbers in the inside a bracket, that is, in the two numbers are in division. So you have to say this as 3 by 5 whole squared. Whole squared. Entire. Whole means entire thing is squared. Okay. Next, we are going to see about, that is, how to write a number in an exponential form. That is, this 32. How to write this 32 in an exponential form? See here. First, you have to factorize 32. 32 start with the prime number. This is called prime factorization. What I am doing now is called prime factorization. So, if you divide 32 by 2, you get 16. Again, if you divide by 2, you get 8. Again, if you divide by 2, you get 4. Again, if you divide by 2, you get 2. If you divide by 2, you get 1. So, till 1, you have to do like this. Now, 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Because 5 times 2 has been multiplied. Now, this is the expanded form, isn't it? Now, how to write this in an exponential form? Just 2 to the power of 5, that's all. So, 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. Next, 225. Now 225, we are going to do prime factorization for 225. 225 can be divided by 5. How many times? In 20, 4 times. Remainder is 2. That is 4 5s are 20. 22 minus 20, 2. Remainder is 2. The next number is 5. So 25. In 25, how many 5s are there? 5. Okay. Next, again you can divide by 5. 5 9s are. 9 can be divided by 3. 3 3s are. 3 can be divided again by 3. 3 1s are. Okay. Now, 225 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. And this is the expanded form. Now, how to write in an exponential form? 5 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2. So, this is called exponential form. Next, 588. So, 588 can be divided by 2. Always use prime numbers. 5 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. Okay. In 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 times. So, remainder 1. Next number is 8. So, 18. In 18, how many 2s are there? 9. Exactly. Next, in 8, how many 2s are there? 4. Again, divide by 2. In 2, how many 2's are there? 1. In 9, how many 2's are there? 4. 4 2's are 8. 9 minus 8, 1 remainder. Next number is 4. So 14. 14, how many 2's are there? 7. 147 can be divided by 7. Because see here, in 14, 2 times. 2 sevens are 14. Next, the next number is exactly it is divisible. Next number is 7. 7, how many 7s are there? 1, just 21, that's all. So next, again you can divide by 7. 3 times. If you divide by 3, you get 1. Now 588 can be written as 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 3. See here. This can be written as exponential form. 2 to the power of 2 into 7 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 1. Okay. Only 1 3 is there. So to the power of 1. So this is the way to write the exponential form of numbers. Next, we are going to see how to find the values of x and y from the given exponential forms. Okay, see here, 2 to the power of x equal to 16. Okay, first we have to convert the 16 into an exponential form. Then we have to equate the powers. This is the rule. So first 16 we have to prime factorize 16. Again, if you divide by 2 you get 4. If you divide by 2 you get 2. If you divide by 2 you get 1. Now 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and this can be written as 2 to the power of 4. Now coming to the question, 2 power x equal to 16. See here, 2 power x equal to 16. Next, 2 power x equal to, the 16 can be written as 2 power 4. Now equate the powers. Okay, equate the powers. X equal to 4. That's all. Clear? Very simple. Next, 27 into 32 equal to 3 power x into 2 power y. Now you have to find the exponential form for 27 and 32. First, let us find for 27. 27 can be divided by 3, 9 times. Again 3, 3 times. Again 3, 1 time. So 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. This can be written as 3 power 3. 3 times. So 3 to the power of 3. Next, 32. 32 can be divided by 2. 16 2's are again 2. 8 2's are 16. If you divide by 2, you get 4. If you divide by 2, you get 2. If you divide by 2, you get 1. So 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And this can be written as 2 power 5 as exponential form. Now 27 into 32. This is the question. Wait. Now we have to write the question. 3 power x into 2 power y. Now 27, instead of 27 I am going to write 3 power 3. Okay, I am going to write 3 power 3 into, instead of 32 I am going to write 2 power 5 equal to 3 power x into 2 power y. Now you can equate the powers. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. That's all.